All right, everybody, what are we looking at today? Well, I've looked at you in the past, smashing that like button, so please do that again. I do appreciate it. And also subscribe to our channel so we can keep all this stuff for you free. Well, I'm going to look at something that I love to wear. I like Nikes. They're the only shoes that fit me, but nobody else seems to like Nike when it comes to a stock. Nike's trading at a price that it hasn't seen in decades. I'm talking about $45.70, 63 cents right now, down about $7 and change. That's almost a 14% move in Nike today alone, on top of big moves to the downside in Nike. For me, it's time to take a little bit of a long delta play in Nike. Why? Well, who doesn't like a classic dunk, right? So do I. All right, June, 78 days. Now I'm going all the way out to June. You look at the IV rank, it's 22, relatively low. That's what happens after earnings. Volatility expands prior to earnings, goes down after earnings. That's exactly what's happening here. So we go with some sort of delta position here. I'm actually going to take a pretty decent sized delta position here. Let me explain to you what I'm doing here. I'm selling in June, 78 days to go. Longer dated, giving myself time to be right. I'm selling the 42.5 puts. That's a bullish trade, right? You look at it, 70% pop, standalone trade is good, gives you about 30, 31 long deltas, positive theta decay, use about $600 in buying power. That as a standalone trade for me is a good trade too, but I'm gonna be a little bit greedy. I'm going to sell the 42.5 puts, and then I'm going to do another bullish trade. I'm going to buy the 47.5 calls. I'm going to sell the 52.5 calls. I did this for around a 40-ish cent credit. The credit here is really not the position that you're looking for. It's not the amount of credit, it's the delta. I'm picking up about 50 shares of stock, even though I have a positive theta decay, and I'm only using $742 in buying power here. Look at this trade. It's a 63% pop. Unlike just the naked put, there was a 70% pop, but with just selling the put, I can make whatever I sell the put for, $165 or $170 over the 78 days. Look at my max profit here. $537 depending on where you sell this. If you sell it for a 37-cent credit, it'll be $537. If you sold it for a 36-cent credit, it'll be $536. That's because this 47.5, 52.5 call spread that I'm buying could be worth in 78 days, if the stock is over 52.5, could be worth $500. So I've got a 50 deltas here. I've got a better than 50-50 probability of success, 64%, and I'm only using $700 with a max profit of $535, which I fully expect to make. Now, we don't fully expect ever to make max profit, but on this trade, I'm looking at something saying, you know what? I've got almost 80 days of time. I got 50 shares of stock. I'm only using $700 and change in buying power. To me, this is a win-win trade, and like I said, who doesn't love a classic dunk from Nike? All right, everybody, please move, transfer, bring your account to Tasty Trade so we can keep the lights on here and help us support Tasty Live.